What's good, people? This your boy Red Venom 10, and I am officially done with the dishes, as you can see. Yeah, that's part of my everyday exercise. A lot of people take dishwashers and maids for granted. Honestly, when you are a father and you actually are active in their child's life, and you do a lot of other things that's old school, such as wash dishes by hand, do taxi drive, feeding for a living every day, on top of manage your own YouTube channel, your own TV show, and a lot of other stuff. Yeah, you can see where the energy pretty much goes. I'm surprised that I even have enough energy to keep up with everything and the special people that's in my life. So if I can manage that, whereas it's difficult to do typically. What's up? Child, don't forget to wash your hands, practice social distance as well. Remember, keep 10 minimum of 10 or less in your social gathering as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and every other social media platform that you may find me in. If you just pop in my name on the search engine, Red Venom 10, I shall be there. Until then, cosmic blessings.